Tired of stubborn watermarks and acid rain spots ruining your car's shine? Here's a quick and super effective way to eliminate them for good. This method works on your windshield, windows, and chrome, and leaves your car looking spotless. Fast, easy, super effective. Watermark remover that works. Step 1. Start by making sure the surface is cool and shaded. You'll need the watermark remover, a clean microfiber cloth, and later some car shampoo for rinsing. Step 2. Apply an ample amount of the remover directly onto a microfiber cloth. Wipe the affected area for no more than 15 seconds. Focus on one section at a time. Step 3. Continue section by section until the entire glass or chrome area is clear. Step 4. Now wash the treated areas using car shampoo, rinse immediately with clean water, and dry it up to avoid new marks. Check out the difference. No more water spots, no more acid rain marks, just a crystal clear shine. Try it yourself and bring the sparkle back to your car. Removes watermarks from glass, chrome, and windshields. Fast and effective. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.